a Shirley Kitchen.
Most people think you can't make jerk pork without a grill, but this came straight out of my oven. Juicy, seasoned, and full of flavors. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. Hello family, today I'm back in my kitchen and I'm about to prepare this pork, about 20 pounds for one of my subscribers who ordered this full pan of pork. So I'm preparing this, I'm going to wash it and put it all together here so you guys can see how I season it up. And I'm also going to do my own jerk seasoning. I have everything prepared to go with that. So this is here, whole 20 pounds, 20 some pounds, maybe 21. And over here, I already have the scallions, thymes, name it, all peppers, this mostly the skin, and what else? Onions.
These peppers are from the garden?
Here today, nothing from the garden.
Okay.
I'm still waiting on stuff to, to grow out there, like my ginger. And I'm also gonna blend all that up, and I have the pimento berries already grounded up. And the process too, I added some cloves in that also. It's a whole lot of pork, so it's gonna be a whole lot of seasonings for this. So I'm gonna just wash this to happen next. Okay, so now I'm going to blend up my fresh season, all the scallions, thyme, ginger, garlic, all that good stuff. I'm gonna add
God.
like 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna add some black pepper. 4 teaspoons of this. That's pork. You can always add later anything else. So now I'm gonna apply the marinade that I made onto this. I'm using the whole thing. And I'm gonna go in to rub this all together. Oh, this smells good. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg last for this. And I'm gonna go and add the balance of my pimento here. is really good. That smells real. Real seasonings, real flavor, and results you can see. Thanks for cooking with me. See you next time. Peace, blessings, and one love.